How to reset your Discord password. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset your Discord password. The very first step is to launch your Discord account. Make sure you have logged in with your account here. And after that, you want to reset the password, and let us do it by just logging out of it. So now, if you want to register a new account, then you can simply tap your phone number and add a new password and then create a new account. But you want to reset the password of your old account, then just tap in the login option. Tap your number right there. And now, if you have forgotten your password, then what you can simply do is tap on forgot your password option and then reset your password again. Tap on forgot your password option, and after that, you need to enter the confirmation code that has been sent on your device, and then after entering it, you can simply verify it and reset your password just like that. So that's how you can do it. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.